So first you're gonna crack 3 eggs. Okay. Throw those eggshells in the trash.
Okay.
Whisk those until they're scrambled. The best way to do it is slap the yolk first so that it pops. There you go.
That's fun.
And then mix it real good. Okay, that should be good enough. Put the whisk in the sink. Okay, you're gonna put this on medium-low heat, which is on 4. So push it in, light. Nope, go to light. So it lights it first, then put it on 4. Okay, find the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Pull the top off. Pour it in there, enough to cover the bottom of the pan.
So a lot?
That's probably good right there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the pan and you're gonna shake it so all that oil kind of spreads around the pan. There you go. Alright. That's good. Okay, now while that's warming up, you're going to come over here and open your cheese and have it ready to go. Grab a spatula. Okay, you might want to roll your sleeves out. You're going to have to take that off. I just didn't want your sleeves in the food. Okay, so we got to fill the pan, make sure it's warming up pretty good. Throw your scrambled eggs in there. Get ready because this is going to go quick, okay? Throw all of them in there, just pour it in there. There you go. Now grab your bread. Grab one slice. Put it on one side.
Like.
Just drop it in there. Flip it. Hurry. Okay, now do the same thing with the other one. No, leave it in there.
Oh.
Same thing with the other one. And then flip it. There you go. Okay, so now what you're going to do is put your cheese. No, wait, not yet. So you're going to watch your egg and let it cook, okay? Guess where other one is?
What?
This TikTok. Just let that egg cook real good in there. So you grab the spatula, see how the egg's turning?
Yeah.
That's what you want. Let that, you want all that wet stuff to kind of cook a little more. And it probably would cook faster with a cover, but it doesn't say to put a cover on there.
Biscuit, come here.
Okay. Alright, so now you got to flip everything.
Everything?
So what I would do is get under one side and try to get this under both and then flip them.
Oh gosh.
Okay, this is where I sometimes mess up.
Here's Here goes
We get under the egg.
fail.
Okay.
Flip it.
Flip them both. Not, you don't have to do it fast. You can go slow. Just flip them over.
I'm scared.
There you go. Flip them over. Hurry. Perfect. Look at that. Now fix it. Pull it this way. There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
look at
Now
that.
set your cheese in there. You're welcome. Yep. On one of the sides. Okay. So let that cook for a minute. Put that in the trash. She's making a Sonic toaster. I'm teaching
Without
her.
the bacon.
Without the bacon.
Exactly.
Okay, so now grab your spatula. You're going to grab these ends that are touching the pan and fold them in.
Ew, come on.
They'll be stubborn, so you got to force them. That one might not work because it's too short. Do this side.
There we go.
Okay, force. Do that side in. Grab, push a little more over here. Get under like this. Under it. And push it that way. Okay, and then now all you do is fold the two halves together.
Wait, first I mix
And then you let one side toast for a minute,
and flip it.
and then flip it and let the other side toast. And Madison made her first toaster. Yours turned out better than mine did. Mine was all falling apart and everything.
Daddy,
What?
can I get that meat?
You want another one?
I was just gonna eat that.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Okay,
can I
flip
get
it.
dessert?
Yes. Go ahead and grab your plate while you're waiting on that.
I gave biscuits and
And
hot
then just
sauce
whenever
one
you're
day.
ready to get it.
I gave biscuits and hot sauce one day, and I had to go get him water.
And there is Madison's first toaster. So proud of her.